I've been hacking for years, and there are principles that genuinely change how I approach security that nobody explicitly taught me. You won't find these in certifications, they're not in OSCP guides, and tutorials barely touch them. These are the mental frameworks that separate people who run tools from people who actually find bugs. I wish someone had told me this years ago instead of making me learn through thousands of hours of failure. Before we dive in, if you like the way I break this stuff down and you actually want to learn hacking the right way, CyberFlow Academy isn't just another learning platform. We provide focused, advanced courses in key areas like website hacking, bug bounties, OSINT, reverse engineering, and more. Material that goes far beyond what can be taught on YouTube. Otherwise, I'll get another strike. You also gain access to our active and ambitious Discord community, where you can reach me directly whenever you need guidance. And listen, I know that cybersecurity evolves fast, so I have made a commitment to constantly update the material and add new courses. We already have 500 plus members learning, landing bounties, and applying these skills in the real world. So what are you waiting for? Join through the link in the description and use code CyberFlow50 to get a whopping 50% off, so hurry up. First principle, assume everything is exploitable until proven otherwise. Most people see a login form and assume it's secure unless they find a bug. Wrong mindset. The better mindset is this login form is vulnerable, I just haven't found how yet. Maybe SQL injection, maybe off bypass, maybe weak rate limiting, maybe password reset flaws, maybe session issues. The bug exists, your job is to discover which one. This keeps you persistent instead of quitting after 10 failed payloads. Second principle, complexity is the enemy of security. More features means more attack surface, more integrations, more custom logic, more ways things break. Password reset flows with multiple steps, OAuth implementations, CSV imports, bulk actions, permission systems. This is where bugs hide. Simple apps are often boring. Complex enterprise apps with custom business logic are where you eat. Third principle, developers secure the obvious path and forget everything else. They sanitize the web form, but not the API. They validate uploads on the client, but not the server. They protect the main route, but forget the legacy admin endpoint. Vulnerabilities live in forgotten code, old features, rushed patches, and systems nobody touched in months. Find the unloved parts of the application. Fourth principle, tools find maybe 20%. Humans find the rest. Scanners catch obvious SQL injection, reflected XSS, traversal bugs. Great. But the real bugs need human thinking. Business logic flaws, race conditions, IDOR, privilege escalation, second-order injection, weird workflow abuse. No scanner understands intent. Tools are starting points. Creativity is what gets paid. Fifth principle, read error messages like they're love letters. Developers leak insane amounts of info. Stack traces reveal frameworks, file paths, versions, sometimes code snippets. Different errors for user doesn't exist versus wrong password give user enumeration. SQL syntax errors basically confess injection points. Same goes for headers, banners, HTML comments, source maps, debug endpoints. Applications constantly tell you how to break them. Sixth principle, privilege escalation is just missed authorization. Once you get low-level access, ask one question everywhere. Should I be allowed to do this? Can you hit admin directly? Change a user ID in a request? Add isAdmin equals true? Trigger an admin action with CSRF? Most privilege escalation is the app forgetting to check permissions at one critical moment. Seventh principle, the best bugs chain together. A single CSRF might be boring, but CSRF plus change email plus password reset is account takeover. XSS that steals an admin session becomes critical. SSRF plus exposed internal services becomes RCE. Open redirect plus OAuth mistakes becomes takeover. Stop thinking in isolated bugs. Think in attack chains. Bug bounty programs pay for impact. Eighth principle, once stuck, enumerate harder. You're usually stuck because the app is secure. You're stuck because you haven't looked enough, that you test every method, get, post, put, delete, patch, every parameter, header, cookie, different encodings, old endpoints from archive sites, subdomains with different stacks, JavaScript files with hidden APIs or secrets, company GitHub repos leaking credentials. Enumeration is rarely finished. You just got tired. Ninth principle, Defense in depth means more chances to win. WAF blocking you? Learn bypasses. Strong authentication? Check authorization. Input validation tight? Look at output encoding. Web app locked down? Test the API. 10th principle. Mindset matters more than skill. If you think you're not good enough to find bugs, you won't look hard enough. If you think everything is already found, you'll stop early. If you think a bug is too simple to matter, you'll ignore something critical. The right mindset is, every app is vulnerable, I just need to find how. These principles aren't in textbooks because they're meta lessons learned from breaking hundreds of systems and seeing patterns in how developers fail. Tools change. Techniques change. These don't. If you want to go deeper on methodology, mindset, and the path from script kiddie to actually dangerous, everything you need is in CyberFlow's Academy. First link in the description. Now, go find something nobody else found.
You still stuck in tutorial hell? We got full courses step by step as well. Web hacking labs, real attack flow. Not click here, actually break the code. Reverse engineering, crack moves inside. Gidra open, ego died. Bug bounty methods that actually scale. Find one vuln, that's grocery money mail. $29, that's it bro. Skill goes up, that's CyberFlow. Python for hackers, C plus Spain. Build your own tools like this, that don't. New course dropping every month. No content drought, we stack it up. Private Discord, killers in chat. Stuck on a bug, we fixed that.